I was a mayor when the drug war was implemented, Mr. Chair. And let me tell you, na sa lahat ng implementation sila against the fight with the fight against drugs, hindi ka pwedeng lumapit sa drug pusher o sa drug lord na sabihin mo, pwede ko ba tumigil na ho kayo? Kasi lahat ito, all of these people, all of these personalities, they have firearms. Hindi mo pwede sabihin sa tumigil ka na, ay babarinig ka agad ng mga yan. So during the implementation na nanguhuli sila at tinaharin nila to, nagkakaputukan talaga, and that is really true. Sad na may namamatay, sad pati yung polis na sasama, pero inuutusan yung polis eh. Trabaho nila, Mr. Chair, pag sinabi na ng higher up sila, gawin nyo ito, they will do what they are told. And that's the reason na marami namatay, both from the